More pictures will be uploaded once the roof is finished. Awesome opportunity in the beautiful Windwood subdivision in desirable southeast Lakeland. Take a look at this 4-bedroom 2-bath pool home. Very close to all of the amenities too. Brand new roof being installed this week. New AC in 2017, new pool pump in 2019. Sitting on a cul-de-sac, this home features a split-bedroom plan, family room with a fireplace, living room, dining room, dinette, and a laundry room. The kitchen has a large pantry, tons of counter space and a breakfast bar. The master suite has French doors to the pool, a huge walk-in closet, dual sinks and a garden tub. Nice-sized garage with a utility sink. French doors open to the screen pool area. At this price, you can use all of the skills you learned on those home improvement shows to make this house into your home.